Good morning, students. How are you all? So today we will start the first chapter in GK, that is chapter number 1, Theatre and Puppetry. So first of all, I'm going to tell you about this chapter. Puppetry is a form of theatre or performance that involves the manipulation of puppets. Do you know what are puppets? Katputli. Inanimate objects often resembling some types of human or animal figure that are animated or manipulated by the human called a puppeteer. Such a performance is known as puppet production. The script for a puppet production is called a puppet play. There are many different varieties of puppets and they are made of a wide range of materials depending on their form and intended use. They can be extremely complex or very simple in their construction. The simplest puppets are figure puppets, which are teeny puppets that fit onto a single figure, and stock puppet, which are formed for a stock and operated by inserting one's hand inside the stock. We lived in Rajasthan ना, you know ना, आप लोग भी कहीं हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस में या कहीं घूमने गए होंगे तो काफ़ी सारे पपेट्स आपने भी देखी होंगी जो ब्यूटीफुली कपड़े से बनती हैं. ठीक है. Theatre and puppetry is a very ancient art form to have originated about 400 years ago. Puppets have been used since the earliest times of animate and communicate the ideas and needs of human societies. Some historians claim that they predate actors in theatre. There is advance that they were used in Egypt as early as 2000 BCE. India has a long tradition of puppetry. In the ancient Indian epic Mahabharata, they are referenced to puppets like Katputli, a form of string puppet performs native to Rajasthan, is notable, and there are many Indian puppeteers. The first Indian professor Y.K. Padhya introduced this form of puppetry to India in the 1920s, and his son Ramdas Padhya subsequently popularized in his puppetry. Almost all types of puppets are found in India. India has a variety of puppets and styles of shadow puppets. Shadow puppets are flat figure cut of leather which has been treated to make it intranslucent. The shadow puppets are pressed against the screen with a strong source of light behind it. Another is rod puppets. Rod puppets are an annexation of glove puppets but are often much large and supported the manipulate by rods from below. Glove puppets. Glove puppets are also known as sleeves and hand or palm puppets. The head is made of either pampaya match cloth or wood with two hands emerging from just below the neck. Like उनकी गर्दन हिलती रहती है. ठीक है. These types of puppets. So students, according to the chapter, here some of the exercises are given over there. That these exercises are take the correct answer. So the question number 1 is, what are the traditional marionettes of Rajasthan called? The answer is Katputli. See the next question. The next question is, which theatre form are based on the legends of Krishna? Here 4 options are given over there. So in that 4 option, the answer is option number B. That is option number B, that is called Ras Leela. The Ras Leela is totally belongs to the love story of Krishna and Radha. So let me continue with the next question. Which temple dance of Kerala came into existence under the patronage of the king Manavada of Calicut? Here 4 options are given over there. So in that 4 option, the answer is answer number A, that is Krishnattam. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, what are the string puppets of Odisha called? So here 4 options are given over there. In that 4 options, the answer is B. The answer is B. It is called Kundehi. Next, let's come to the question number 5. That is, which folk drama of Tamil Nadu means street play? So, the answer is option number B. Here comes the question number 6. Question number 6 is, which folk drama Students, next, let's come to the next question. That is question number 5. Which folk drama of Tamil Nadu means street play? So, the 4 options are given over there. So, in that 4 options, the answer is B. Okay. So, let's come to the next question. That is question number 6. Which form of string puppetry of Karnataka is styled and designed like the characters of Yakshagana? So, here 4 options are given over there. That is Yampuri, another is Gombeta, C is Putulnach, and the option number D is Bhant Pathar. So, the answer of question number 6 is option number B. Okay, students. So, you all have to do these exercises in your GK copy. So, it's enough for today. So, good day and enjoy your day.